My name is Michael Adekalu, and you are welcome to Dekalo's Engineering Consulting and Contracting Company Limited. I'll be the one that will take this through webinar for those people joining today and those that will be joining tomorrow. And all we just want to be talking about is to refresh our brain and also show us what we do in our organization. So you are welcome. All right. You should be able to see the next thing is done for everyone who wants to delve into the MEP industry. In case you are also in the MEP industry already, you are welcome, and the training is for you. It talks about what I'm going to be sharing in this webinar. And this is the same thing we'll be sharing. We are an engineering company, which means that we don't offer financial services. We don't offer other services than engineering. And we have well over 13 years of experience as an MEP industry. The next thing is, I want to explain what MEP is. Some of us are already in the MEP industry. The letter M there stands for mechanical. The E there stands for what? Electrical. And the P there stands for plumbing or piping, depending on what you do in your company. You understand? Like us, we do piping. Piping means anything pipe, including oil and gas. That's the meaning of pipe. We have power, lighting, and even extra low voltage services. Lift and elevators, they are part of. Lift and elevator is under mechanical. So when we are talking of mechanical aspects in building services, we are talking about lift and elevators. We are talking about AC, air conditioning, which is HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. That's not all. We also have gas supply. Do you know that in building, they make use of gas supply, especially if you are dealing with hospitality building like hotels. They cook a lot. So you need to make sure you find a way to design a gas for them, a gas service that they can be using. If it is in the medical sector, they make use of what we call medical gas, a compressed natural gas. So you need to make sure you, as the mechanical engineer, you design all those things for them. So all these things are under mechanical. The electrical, I've mentioned lightning, power, extra low voltage, those we put under the electrical. Then the plumbing or the piping. Under the plumbing, definitely we have so many things. We talk about the cold water and hot water supply. Swimming pool, you need to know how to design swimming pool under the plumbing. These are some of the things we do. We are going to take you through in the class. You will need to know how to design drainage system, storm, oil receptors, and the rest. So these are under plumbing because there is no building. If people are going to habitate or stay inside that building, even if they don't have sockets, even if they don't have AC, they must go to toilets, they must bath. So that is why, no matter how poor people are, they need plumbing services. They will go to toilets, they will bath. So this is even one of the most important aspects of any building facility, whether building or industrial. Plumbing or piping is the brain line, and that's why we call it public health engineering. So we will talk about it briefly. You understand? It's part of this brain. Engineers, they will look at what we call the skeleton, and also they will now build the flesh. But with the MEP, you need to put in the heart, the blood, the water in the system, the kidney, the liver, the bladder, the uterus, and every other thing that are inside the building. That must be what? Safe and energy efficient for people. And that's why they call them MEP service engineers or MEP engineers. I hope you understand.